day 2. Okay. I'm gonna give myself 20 minutes, see how much I can get done, and then that's it. Sorry, but have you seen a cuter thing? No. On the window, watch the time float on. It's easier to cool it blows a memento. Cracks like the first morning light as I fall behind in the night. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're older. Getting rid of this. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. You and I'll be better when we're older. You see this here? So helpful. Okay, so that's like, obviously it's nowhere near done, but the exciting package did arrive. It's a dishwasher. Yes, everything's on the floor. Blah, blah, blah. So let's open this. I'm gonna break the box. Just yet. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the wrong way around. I'm so excited. This is my first place to think of putting it, but it could be a bit too big. Oh my god. She's perfect. Okay, so this is it. But there's more. Yeah, you can kind of see. See, there's some marks there. Don't care. It's the first time I've ever had a dishwasher. I think my mum got one after I moved out. Hey guys, so I am like 2 or 3 days sick and I have no excuse. I have no excuses left, so I need to clean. I got myself another package. It was the same day as the last one, but I wasn't allowing myself to open it until this was clean. Oh, 1 second. It's a rice cooker. Oh, that's cute. Perfect. It's tiny, which is perfect for living alone. So it's amazing because it keeps the rice warm. Steamed stew, soup, slow cook, brown rice. Great. Also, my mom wanted this. We'll see if it works. Someone is
this out.
Wait on the moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
So my dishwasher's on right now, but see this hose? I need to maybe connect it to the wall a bit better. Perfect. Now the hose can't move too much and that's covering it. Perfect. These two things are gonna go, but I need to mop first. Start with up here. So I did change this around. It's not finished. I do need to tidy it up. Then here, this is going. The window, now I can see out the window because my plants have been moved. My dishwasher, I also put my rice cooker behind here so I can just pull it out whenever needed in the sink area. These are just drying a little. That's not meant to happen. I'm gonna go food shopping now. I've got my little bag. And once I come back, we can put everything into the fridge, sort it out. Came back from food shop, so let me show you.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever.
Let's see before.
His name was John Allen.
Yeah. Oh no, I do have this, sorry.
I was involved with
A beard slider. But that's it. Nothing. All this. Let's throw everything in and then sort it. Hey guys, so I just finished editing my vlog and I realized I never actually did a outro. So I just want to say thank you so much if you did watch this far. Obviously you did if you're seeing this. Leave a comment down below and subscribe if you do like it. I kind of do cleaning, trying to get my life on track. I live in Dublin City. I live in a 1-bedroom apartment alone. Yeah, if you do like it, just let me know. Say hi. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.